Okay, so this is my Vitpilen 701. So I'm just showing what I've done here with the exhaust. There was a company that provided this for me as a link pipe originally, and so I just cut it in half. It was about £30 or something like that out of the UK. So it really cost me nearly nothing. So I'm pretty happy with that. Anyway, I'm using an external mic, so it should get a pretty good representation of the actual sound. So we will just pop the phone down somewhere here so people can have a look at it. And I'll hop on and start her up. Right. So the mic's on me, not on the phone, so it shouldn't bloom out or do anything particularly silly. Now. So the bike's pretty loud but not obnoxious. And here's a rev. So I'm back on the camera. See, it makes it look a lot cleaner. And it's back far enough so that you don't have to worry about getting yourself burnt or anything like that. Anyway, I think it was a pretty worthwhile mod. I think it was a pretty worthwhile mod because it looks nice, it cost nearly nothing, worked pretty well.